So here we have the Groz 41961 antifreeze drain pan with 1.1 quarter gallon capacity. That's 16 liters. HDPE construction, green in color. Now, even though it says it's an antifreeze drain pan, I use it for oil. Why do I use it for oil? Because this is deeper than my oil catch can, and pouring it out is very convenient with the handles in the front and the handles in the rear, the high spout, the deep capacity and larger diameter of this drain pan makes catching my oil while I'm under the car in an uncomfortable position just a breeze. I mean, no splash is gonna escape this. A windy day is still gonna catch the oil, and this is exactly what I enjoy. Plus, the dark oil versus the green color lets you know how dirty it is or how much you got to clean it. If you have a dark color oil pan, it's hard to tell whether you still got a mess in the pan if you really like to clean it up. So that's why I like the contrasting green color to be used with oil. Very well made product for the price. You should check it out.